In this video, I'll show you how to add on your lock screen different time zones. Okay, so you have the normal clock over here, but you can have up to 6 other clocks down below of different cities. So you're gonna go on the lock screen and keep press anywhere on your screen. You may have to unlock your phone and then you're gonna get into the customize mode. From here, click customize. And we need to add widgets. Let me just remove the one I added and show you how you can do the same. So over here you have add widgets. If you don't have any, simply tap on this, go down and select clock. If you want to have 3 clocks on the same widget, choose the first option, world clock. If you want to add only one other additional clock, select city digital. And you have 2 choices how you want this to look. Let's say I want to add this one and also add the 3 clocks just to show you how to customize them. Exit this, and as you see, everything is over here. And by the way, these widgets, you can place them on the bottom of your screen if you prefer having your clocks over there. Then click on the first, if you choose this clock, click on it and then click again and choose any city that you wish to have over there. For the 3 clocks, same thing, tap on them and you're gonna have the choice over here to put everything that you wish. Go back, exit this, press done, and here you go. They've been saved and you now have many additional clocks on your lock screen. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.